Hi guys, I have some issue with my light ESP come on and wants to go off. Actually that's happened only when it's really hot weather, where temperature go over 80 degrees. And I check my electric box fan was bad. This is the one I just pulled out from this ML320 1999, and these electric blowers, they have like they're much bigger than the other one I buy. I find in junkyard and pick parts, but for me, when I tested, this one's a lot better than the other one. You know, it's much better. I have both of these from junkyard and they both working, but this one, this looks like a smaller, you know, the short motor. It's worked much better than the other one, and I decided to put this one instead. And also this one is it says 12 voltage, 12 volts. The other one is also made in Germany, 13.2 voltage. It's, you know, it's about same. It's, you know, like alternator. Actually, alternator make when charging battery go over close to the 14 voltage, 14 volts. And you need only I think T20 torque wrench just to take off the cover, and you need to just pull this cable, this wires here out of, pull them off and make space for, you know. I already put in that. I cannot recording because I work myself. I don't have nobody to hold the camera. Yeah, you see. So just pull this out and remove, and then you have two clips inside. It's not really hard to replace. You have two clips, like two clips going like this. One snap here and the other snap here, and just put this in. And this side has to be, this side is a little bit tough to put, you know, the hose, because you cannot see really, you know. You gotta just a moving left, right, and, you know, to front, forward, back, until it's snapped inside. And then you have two wires. That's it. It's a lot of work, but it's not really complicated like the people think it is. And also, if you want to test, I have a little jump cable. This is relay. I cannot see. You know, you gotta have light. That's relay 19. Yeah, 19. You can pull this out. and then you can put jumper cable here, and here just to jump the relay. And I hope you can hear. You can hear the motor is blowing. Yep. That's it, guys. Sometimes take work, but you know, if you do everything correct, it's you know, it's the worst part is to put it back, because you know these two snaps here, clips, you know, you gotta hold them somehow, because it's so tight area here, too many wires, and you can work only by one hand. I spent maybe 30 minutes to finish all this. I hope it's gonna help someone who has some issue. I mean, it's not just about ESP. I mean, that's just this cooling electric box, you know, the blower, especially with so high temperature, like, you know, right now it's over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And plus one engine and surrounding make probably 200. And this is Mercedes 1999 ML320. If you like my video, subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.